Yes. First theorem is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. You have seen, I have written on the board lecture 1 basic proportionality theorem, and in bracket you can write the, this is PPT or Thales theorem. The statement is what? Now statement is what? That is, if a line is drawn, if a line is drawn parallel to parallel to one side of a triangle, one side of a triangle to intersect intersect the other two sides, the other two sides in distinct points, in distinct points, distinct points. The other two sides, the other two sides, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. The same ratio. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides at distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the ratio, in the same ratio. This is the statement of basic proportionality theorem. Now, what is the basic proportionality theorem? Now, you have to do the, what is the meaning? This is the triangle. This is the triangle. You can say A, this is B and C. If a line is not parallel, that is, you are drawing the line. This is L parallel to BC. If a line is not parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides, that is D and E. These points D and E. Now intersect the other two sides in distinct point. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. That is AD. So what you can say that in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC. Therefore, by BPT, BPT is what? Basic proportionality theorem. We say AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. AD, this part AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. So this is basic proportionality theorem. What is the basic proportionality theorem? This is the basic proportionality theorem. Now, if ratio converse of PPT, now proof of basic proportionality theorem will be asked in the exam, but the proof of converse of PPT will not ask in the exam. Only the application of converse of PPT. Converse of PPT. Application of converse of PPT is there. Now converse of PPT is what? That is, if ratios are equal. If ratios are equal, then we say that the sides are parallel. If ratios are equal in triangle, then you will say that the lines are parallel. And this is by what? Converse of BPT. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. So we will be doing this theorem. In exam, there are marks for the figure, correct figure is there, then you will get marks given to prove construction and all are there, and after that prove. So try to do this. And this similar triangle theorem, you can go through the revision you can do from the YouTube. I will upload this lecture of similar triangles. Now, in this, what you have to do, that is we how to prove this theorem. The first thing what we will do, that is to make the figure. Now what is the figure? Yes. Now make this. This is the figure. This is the triangle. This is the line A, B, C, D, E, parallel to BC. Now join D, join CD, draw DN, perpendicular, and EF. Now this is the complete figure. In complete figure, you have to, if complete figure is right, you will get half marks for this. Now you will write given in triangle ABC, line in triangle ABC, line L parallel to BC, intersect AB at D and AC at E. To prove AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Construction join DE and CD. Join DE and CD. Draw DN perpendicular to AC. Draw DN perpendicular to AC and EF perpendicular to AB. EF perpendicular to AB. So this is the first figure. Half marks for figure, given half marks, to prove half marks, construction half marks. So this theorem is of 4 marks. You will get the 2 marks here. Now comes the proof. Now for proof, what you will do? For proof, first this triangle and this triangle. So a triangle, area of triangle EDE equal to area of triangle CED. EDE equal to CED because triangles are on same base and between same parallels. So half marks for this statement. After this, now area of triangle ADE, area of triangle EDE. All of you must be knowing area of triangle. Half base into height. Half base into height. Yes, from tomorrow onwards, I will not enter you in the between because geometry I have started, so it will create problem. So from tomorrow, all of you pay attention. That is, come on time. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle PDE. That is half base AD into EF upon half PD into EF. This half and this half cancel. EF and EF cancel. In place of PDE, what you can write? CD, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CED. CD, that is AD upon PD. First equation, that is ADE. This is acute angle triangle. PDE, ADE and PDE. PDE. This is obtuse angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, the altitude is inside, and in obtuse angle triangle, this is base, and this altitude will come outside. So, if you are drawing the altitude from the opposite vertex of the base, opposite vertex, you will find that in acute angle triangle, altitude is inside, and in obtuse angle triangle, altitude will come outside the figure. So, first equation. Similarly, or you can say that area of triangle ADE, area of triangle CED, half, that is AE into DL upon half into EC into DL. Again, DL there is a half cancel. But you will not change here. Area of triangle CED. Because first equation and second equation LHS should be equal. So area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle CED equal to AE upon EC. Second equation. Now, what you will say? Here, LHS of both equations are equal. So, what you will say? From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Hence, prove. This is the way you have to do the question. So please see that the theorem comes in the exam. You all of you have to do like this. Understood? Now, after this, we have converse of PPT. Converse of PPT. A converse of basic proportionality theorem is what? Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, if AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC, then we say DE parallel to DC. This is converse of basic proportionality theorem. That is, this is the figure A, B, C. Now, D, E. This AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. If AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC, then we will say that is DE is parallel to BC. So this is what you are to write. This is converse of BPT. So today's topic only is what? That is we are solving the basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. Tomorrow we will be doing the question of this. So okay now, thank you.